What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some of the parks that Paris has to offer. This one in particular is right next to the Louvre and it's called Tuileries Garden. Here's the name of it so you can see the proper pronunciation. And this park actually happens to be really cool because it has a beautiful garden, it has a lake, it also has statues, so this park is decorated very nicely. And as you can see right here, we're actually entering into the park. It has a beautiful gate. It's a really cool park, and it actually has different kiosks where you can grab something to eat. And towards the end of the park, it actually has a bigger kiosk where they have like a full-on restaurant, and you can get anything from pasta, French dishes, cocktails, drinks, anything you want. Let me know in the comments below if you've already been to this park, or if you guys think it's worth coming to this park. I feel like it is because it's like a really cool place to hang out with the family, especially on a Sunday. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Look how beautiful this garden. People just come on the weekends and relax here with their families, picnics. So basically from this park you can see the tip of the Eiffel Tower, which is right over there. It's the Eiffel Tower, and you can also see the Arc of Triumph, which is right at the end over there. So I feel like this park is like in the center of everything. As I told you guys, they have the Eiffel Tower. You can see it from the back. You can see it from here. We saw some of the Eiffel Tower from here. And you also got the Arc of Triumph right at the end. So it's like in the center of everything. And then that way they have the Louvre, which you can see that way. So this is a really cool park to come to. You can just, if you have a rental car like we do, just park your car for a couple of hours, go to this park, and you basically can do everything. Go to the Louvre, see the Eiffel Tower, go to the Arc of Triumph. If you have a park here and you're looking for parking, you can expect to pay €1 for 15 minutes. So we're doing like a 2-hour thing. Yeah, over there, right at the end, they have a little kiosk and they have different type of foods there. Cool. Oh, same over here. You can sit down and eat your lunch, snacks, and they have another kiosk there where they're selling food. Since this park is so big, they have a lot of points of entry and exits. Like this way, you can exit this way. You could also exit this way, which is towards the Arc of Triumph. Or you could exit this way. Or back here, which is where we came in through. That leads towards the Louvre. So you can expect for an entree somewhere around, the most expensive thing is €10. They have stuff for $8.50. Then they have snacks, €10, €9, €4 flats, fish and chips, cheeseburgers, chicken burgers, linguine. So they have everything. Like this is like a full-on restaurant. Desserts, salads. Hope you can see that. Let me turn this way so that way you can see the prices better. Menu infantil. They have coffee, beers, cocktails. €12. Mocktail, I don't know what that is. And beers. Here are the prices for beers. If you guys can see that, okay. And obviously coffee. The most expensive coffee here is €6. It's a cappuccino. This is really cool. And there are people. Oh, they also sell wine. So this park has it all. So breezy right now. I'm here in September and the breeze is so amazing. It's not hot, but you still have some sun. So you can bring a light jacket because you tend to get a little cold, but it's not too cold. I mean, you can still wear shorts. So like people are wearing shorts, summer dresses, but I'm not hot. You're not gonna be like sweating. If you come in September, it feels very comfortable. And this was the park. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this walking tour of this beautiful park. Go ahead and watch my other video, my Italy segment. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this park.